Hi everyone, welcome back to Style by Lauren Ryder. It is officially summer this week, so we're gonna go check out the thrift store and see what trends we can find. Let's check it out. I started off in the hat section, my favorite section, of course. I loved this straw striped one. There were a ton of hats right now. I really liked this polka dot and floral visor, but unfortunately it had a big C on the front, and I wish it didn't. There was a ton of straw hats, and I made my way to scarves because I am obsessed with scarves too. And I especially really am looking for lightweight ones, something like this, that I can tie around my hair or around my neck. This tropical print hibiscus one also caught my eye. I didn't really like the coloring on it too much though, so I left that behind as well. And then I made my way to shoes. These sandals with the flowers were so much fun, but not my size. I made my way to handbags, and this straw bag was so much fun. It had like a little flamingo and a palm tree on it, but unfortunately the handle was broken, so I had to leave that. But I was on the hunt for a straw bag. Then I moved to jewelry, and I didn't find too much. Nothing really caught my eye here today. But I was looking for like some more bag charms or keychain type things, or like shell jewelry, shell necklaces, that sort of thing. But like I said, not too much here today. But that's okay. Maybe next time. You never know what you're going to find. I made my way to tank tops, and this terry striped one I thought was really cute. Still definitely into nautical. I kept on looking. This sequin one caught my eye. I loved the stripes on it, but unfortunately the strap was broken, so I had to leave that behind. But I thought that with a pair of denim would be really fun for summer. Throw on the shell jewelry and maybe a headscarf, and that's your look. I really liked this striped top. I loved the boat neck and kind of how it had a peplum detail, and the cloth covered buttons were really cool, but it was too big, so I left that. I also liked this vintage suit set, but definitely didn't feel too summer to me, so I left that behind, but I love the pearl button detail. It was time to try on. I tried on this tropical flamingo and palm tree dress. I love, love, love the print. I have it like rolled up because I thought it would be so much cuter if it was a little shorter. And I think I definitely am going to hem this. I think it's like the perfect summer dress, cotton, very lightweight. This is the bag I was talking about with the flamingo and the palm tree. Unfortunately, the strap was broken, but I loved this bag. It was so much fun. And I ended up stopping up Goodwill on the way home because I had more thrift energy, and I tried on this satin jacket. You can see I'm definitely feeling like the light blue and stripe prints right now. I loved this jacket, but I just felt like I wouldn't get too much wear out of it right now. Then I tried on this really lightweight sequin embellished top with these cropped light wash jeans. I actually thought this whole outfit was cute. I would wear these pieces exactly like this. The jeans were a little big, but I kind of like them like that. They're low rise, which is definitely very different for me, but I like them. This is another look with that jacket, that same jacket I had tried on before. And now I kind of regret it because I really like this jacket. I wish I got it. This was the next day that I went thrifting, and I was just about ready to try on. I didn't really take you with me this time, but you'll see the pieces on the side here in my haul that I ended up purchasing. I wanted to share a haul of some of the things that I recently picked up for summer. I am so excited for some of these pieces. So let me go ahead and just jump right in. The first piece that I picked up is this oversized Pierre Cardin Hawaiian or tropical print oversized button down. I think, how many times can I say the word oversized? This is actually a men's shirt, but I love that it is so big that I can style it, with like a tank underneath. I can button it halfway. There are a lot of different styling options with it, but for summer, I'm obsessed with tropical prints and Hawaiian prints. And especially since I got back from Palm Springs, I'm very into anything with palm trees on it and flamingos and those sort of things. So this one I'm very excited to style. It's a little wrinkled right now because I just washed it, but a little steaming will help that. I plan on actually styling it with this metallic scarf that I also picked up. This scarf, I love how lightweight it is, so I can definitely get away with wearing it even when it's hot out. And I'm really loving metallics for the summer. I like mixing in something really dressy and something really shiny and sparkly like this scarf with something really very casual like this shirt. So I can imagine this tied around my neck or tied in my hair, and wearing this with like a pair of maybe white linen shorts and some strappy sandals and carrying a really cute clutch. But that's kind of one styling idea that I have for that. In that same trip at Goodwill, you guys also saw me try on these mango kind of like cropped, I don't know, not flare, but cropped jeans. I love the light wash for summer. And I actually liked how they were kind of oversized, and I liked how they're cropped so they can show off my sandals or whatever shoe I'm wearing. And they're just super casual. And again, I like pairing something like this with something a little bit more formal. So maybe like a sequin top or something like that. But these I know are going to be very comfortable for me to wear. And then you guys also saw me try on this embellished striped shirt. It's super lightweight, and I just imagine myself throwing this on with even how I had it on in the fitting room with, my straw hat and just some shell and pearl necklaces, and, you're good to go. But this I know I will get some use out of. Another piece that I picked up is this incredible vintage dress. So I don't know if you can see it in the frame here, but it is a polka dot dress. Of course, it has shoulder pads, me and my shoulder pads. But I love how it has a very drop waist, so super on trend. And then the bottom has like a mini polka dot kind of bow print. And it's really long on me. It's, down to my ankles. And this I imagine styled in a really like kind of sporty way. Like I picture wearing this with a baseball hat and some heeled sandals and I don't know, maybe a fun bag. But this I thought would be really fun, and it's super lightweight too. It's kind of sheer. So this I thought would be cute for the summer. and polka dots, are definitely still on trend. Those are the pieces that I picked up, short and sweet. But I am in the process right now of kind of taking all of my pieces for summer that are inspiring me and putting them on my shelves and on my rolling rack. So I'll kind of go over what is inspiring me from my own closet too, and what I'm excited to wear this season. So this is a look at my shelf area here. As you can see, I'm very inspired by seashells, starfish, oversized hats, lots of straw and raffia handbags. I'm still loving sparkle for summer, so I've got some sequins and beads in there. And then I am obsessed with my little turtle keychain here. This crystal turtle I got from Savers. It was like $1, but he's come everywhere with me so far this summer. And then I just have some more handbags up here. I'm loving bamboo or wood handles. And then I love my transparent Hermes bag. Let me give you a closer look. I don't know if you can kind of see, but I thrifted a real shell there and like a little wooden seahorse and a little shell, almost like pillbox thing. And I just stuck them inside my Hermes bag. And I think it's so much fun. How festive is it for summer? So along with styling this bag with my scarves and putting like other bags within this one that you can see, I've been putting my little shells. I think that's so much fun. This is a look of my summer rolling rack. So this is kind of how I shop my closet and get re-inspired by pieces that I already have. So you can see right here, this is my black and white section. I love black and white year round, but I have lots of black and white pieces that I like to mix and match, and I included some light wash denim in there too. And then moving on to polka dots. I'm loving polka dots, especially a sheer polka dot for the summer. So I've got some scarves in there too. And then I have some tropical print. Hey, if you can't go on vacation, why not feel like you're on vacation with your outfit? I've been really inspired by tropical prints ever since I came back from Palm Desert. So you can see I have my hibiscus bag that you guys saw me wear, and then I also like pairing those prints back to like athletic shorts or something like that. And I'm always into nautical, so I had to keep my section with the navy and white stripes. And then you guys just saw me thrift this sequin lightweight striped top. And then moving into my sequin jacket. So I love sequins year round, and the jackets that I've included here are actually really lightweight, so they're kind of just easy toppers to throw on even when it's hot out. And I have a gingham section here, so all of my lightweight gingham button downs and tops. And of course, you have to have a crisp white section for the summer. So I've got my white button down and a few white accessories. And then I have a crochet section. I love this straw bag, and I have a crochet dress that's lots of fun. And then I'm loving oversized pearls and lots of like oversized bead necklaces. So I'll be wearing those a lot this summer. And of course, I had to have some leopard print scarves too. I'm loving scarves and leopard print in general. This is a closer look at some of my favorite jewelry pieces right now. I am obsessed with vintage pins, especially shell and starfish ones. If you are looking for pins, I highly recommend checking eBay. All of these were secondhand finds. I have a vintage shell necklace. I've got my little gold ankle bag, a polka dot oversized scrunchie, a straw raffia hat. And of course, I'm a hat girl, so I had to include some fun colors, definitely some straw raffia hats. And then my favorite shoes at the moment are these jelly shoes that I found at Goodwill for like $7, but they are so comfortable. I love them. And this is my summer rolling rack. You can see lots of fun prints and sparkle and crochet and raffia and leopard print, all of the fun things. So hopefully you're inspired to take your favorite pieces from your closet and wear them this summer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I make videos here every Thursday and all about fashion and style and taking pieces and mixing and matching and having fun. So I'll see you here next week.